Hello everyone. So we're going to make 7 liters of bleach. This is grandma in the building. Grandma is helping us make this bleach, so she's going to introduce all the chemicals. As she touches them, I would mention their names. So okay, we have that one there now is the STTP. Then we have the caustic soda, we have chlorine, and this one is soda ash. All their names are written on them. This is soda ash, it's like salt. Then we have the chlorine, then we have the STTP, then we have the caustic soda. So it doesn't really have a method of putting it in water. You can just pour all 4 in any order of sequence that you choose. So like I said, this is 7 liters of water. Make sure the bucket you're using has cover and a turning stick to turn it. And then as she goes, I'll explain further how this is done. So she has just started with the caustic soda. She's going to open it and pour it into the bucket of water. Please make sure you wear a glove like she's doing. Don't use your hand. Some of these chemicals are harsh. She has gone in now with the STTP. Like I said, there's no other you can pour any of them at first because so all of these chemicals that we're using to make 7 liters as of January of 2025, it was bought at 1,200 naira and it's going to produce for us 7 liters of soap. So she's going with the soda ash and she's going to add that one now. And after that, the last thing is chlorine. If you're asthmatic, please use nose masks or have someone do it for you. Like I said, some of these chemicals are harsh. That's the chlorine now that she's adding. Be very careful with this chlorine. It has a choky smell. Use nose masks, and if you're allergic to things like this, do it outside. Do it outside where breeze can blow and it will not affect you. If at all the chemicals come in contact with your leg or any part of your arm or anywhere, just rush, go to your tap and run water on it for like 10 minutes. Or you apply coconut oil. So after this, she's going to stir it. Then after stirring it, she would cover it and leave it for 3 days. So we're going to come back and show you this solution after 3 days. But day 1, you open it and stir. Day 2, you open it and stir. Then day 3, we will show you what to do. So I'll see you in day 3. So the bleach is ready, and this is how the bleach looks after 3 days. So you turn the sieve the top without the filter turn it into a bowl, and make sure the sediment, those things that settle at the bottom, does not follow it. Those white things that are at the bottom, make sure they don't follow it. No, we're going to refilter into the other bucket. So now we are going to sieve, because you can see some particles on top the bleach. We're going to now sieve with that small filter into a clean bowl so that no particle follows our bleach. And then in the first bowl, we soaked it for 3 days. You can also see some sediments there. After they are done with sieving, I'm going to show you that sediment, which is not wasted. You can actually use it. Okay, so this is our bleach after everything. That's what we have, our bleach. It works so well for toilets and for the back of pots.